I'm going to do a separate video on all the hair masks and treatments that I rotate around. I think I have about maybe 10 to 13 different products that I rotate around for treatment, and as well as masks, hair masks. I have my favorites, so that's going to be a separate video for another time. It'll be too much of a long video if I was to include it in this one. So anyway, I think it's time for a coffee. Now let's just put some makeup on, and I'm starting off with the KVD, which one is this one? I always forget the name. It's the Good Apple Good Coverage foundation. Now I'm just giving it a bit of a shake. We're just simply going to be putting this all over the face, and it's going to be concealer as well. Now today's look is going to be very I'm going to try and keep it as natural as possible. I don't want to go too heavy on the eyes. I just really want it to be, I don't know, just simple. It's going to be my cousin's 40th birthday tonight, and I just want to come home and not have to take off a pound of makeup. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, just a pump of the foundation, maybe a pump and a half, just like that. Smooth that over the face. Now, of course, I just ironed my hair, and I'm trying not to get it over. I mean, you'd think I would have done it after my makeup, right? But no. Everything's out of order. Actually getting a little bit more just to put under the eyes, since we're not using concealer. Because with this foundation, it's pretty much a concealer in one as well. So just going to blend that through. I've already got foundation on in my hair. Oh dear. And it's a damp beauty blender. With the rest of that foundation, just put it over the eyelids. Now with the other end of the beauty blender, just go over the foundation if you feel it's a bit too heavy. Just going to do my eyebrows. I'm using the Mecca Max eyebrow gel. How do I rate this one compared to the Milk Makeup Cush Fiber Brow Gel? Very, very close actually. I like it a lot. But I still like my Milk Makeup one a little bit better. Eyebrow done. Undone eyebrow. Eyeliner, Wayne Goss in black. This is the shade Obsidian. Just going to line the inner rim of the eyes, the top and bottom rim. Top first. It really is amazing the power of black eyeliner, how it can transform the eyes, really. I mean, without and with. It's just a big dramatic difference, isn't it? And then what I'm going to be doing is getting a tiny bit of that black pencil and smudging it right underneath the lower lashes. Just on the outer corner, just with the edge of a flat brush, smudge it out. I'm just taking up the edge of that liner just on the outer corner and up towards the upper lid, sort of like a fake wing. And I'm really simply just using the end tip of the flat brush. And this is a really cheap artiste brush, like really cheap. And what I love about Wayne Goss eyeliners is that you've got so much wiggle room to work with these liners to make them smudge out. Honestly, the best. Feel that black's too harsh, you can also go in with a deep dark brown eyeliner and do exactly the same thing. Even if you wanted to put the black and smoke it out with a black with a brown liner, you could just go ahead and also run that underneath the black eyeliner. But basically that's it. Now I'm just going to be doing mascara using the Rare Beauty mascara that I picked up from Sephora the other day. Cover FX bronzer in the shade Sun-Kissed Bronze. I don't know if you guys remember this when it came out. I'm just going to be bronzing with this shade here. Because it's like a bronzer and highlighter in one. Pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Using the same brush, Mecca Max Pinky Promise blush on the apples of the cheek. My latest lipstick that I bought in this beautiful nude color called Chic Shine. And all I need to do later on is just pretty much put on my dress, my shoes, and then get out the door. So yeah, this is pretty much the hair and the makeup look for tonight's party. Yeah, so I wasn't a little bit more enthusiastic today. Just I've been having a bit of back pain. Yeah, so I don't know why. I think it's because I sit on the floor all the time, which is probably not very good for the posture. But anyway, yeah guys, so thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.